Welcome back. In today's class, we're going to be looking on conditional formatting. Now, in conditional formatting, you can actually use this in data analysis for so many things. For example, even when you are collating results, you can use this conditional formatting whereby a score that is below so grade can be conditioned and formatted with a particular text, a particular color, or a particular icon. So what you are seeing here now is you can see these are numbers, these are the products, just name it 1 to 10. You have numbers, and we also have different conditional formatting. We use the bar, we use the color scale, we use the icon, and we use the clear room. So now let's quickly see. Let's assume I also have some default numbers here. You can put any number, let's say 10. Let's say you have 30, or you have 3, you have 40, you have 30, you have 100, you have 50, you have 80, you have another 50, you have another 90, 80, and 100. So now these are particular numbers you want to format using the conditional formatting. So what do? You go to conditional formatting. Yes, conditional formatting under the home menu. You see conditional. When you click on conditional, you can use the highlight rule. Under the highlight rule, you can use the greater than or greater than. You can use the less than. You can use between. You can use equal to. You can use the text that contain. Now, in this one, you cannot use text that contain, because I'm going to show you how you can use text that contain. Because this is not text and numbers, you can use this first one. Now, let's use greater than. So you can see a dialog box has popped up. Anything greater than, I'm saying anything greater than 40 is a pass mark, so I will put it here. From this thing I listed, now anything greater than 40 should be filled, or anything greater than 40, or anything greater than 39, because from 40 the person could be a pass mark. Anything greater than 39, give it a green and a green background, so I'll say okay. So you can see from this text now all the 40 and above are highlighted in green. I can also come back to say, okay, in that same rule, anything, sorry, I don't want to use greater than, I've used greater than already. Less than, anything less than anything less than 40 should take red. So you can see, so this could be scores of a particular data, and I'm saying once I see red, this person is score below the required mark. So these are how we can actually use our conditional formatting. You can also use the equal to, like I said, anything between so and so. So we can say anything between 10, anything between 1 and between 1 and 40. You can say do a particular thing. Also highlight it 1 and 40. You can say give it a yellow. So between 1 and 40 are there. So that is how you use your conditional formatting. Now, like I said, it could also be text. So if it's text, we can also just pick name of things. You can say Thomas, Jude, Thomas, Mike, Chika, Rosas, Lucky, and the like. So I can also condition formatting this by saying using the text that contain. So any text that contain this, I can say give it this. I can even customize my own font color. Escape. So I can come here to change it to any color I want. So that is okay. That is for the text. Then also under conditional formatting, I can use the icon just like what you are saying now. I can use the icon. So if I want to use the icon, I have to come back to this. I say okay, conditional formatting text using icons. Let's see. Okay, data bar. Okay, first one there is data bar. Let's see data bar. So you can see now, if I'm using data bar, I can pick any color of data bar. You can see I'm getting my conditional formatting based on using data bar. So what it means is this is what happened here. Data bar, you can see, because it's 10. So if I increase this 10 now and I change it to 860, watch what happens. The data bar increases, and even the first conditional formatting we gave that was yellow, which is below between 0 and 40, has changed to green because it's no longer between that. So that is how conditional formatting works here on data bar. You can also assign data bar, there is scale color as well, or the color scale. So you can use, is the second one, you can use the color scale. You can see the color scale. That is what gave us this other one, this very one, color scale. Then you can also use the icon. You can use the icon. Is it good, is it bad, and lastly you can use the rating. So this is conditional formatting. So there are times you will need this knowledge for you to be able to carry out some data analysis by formatting them using conditional formatting. See you in the next class.